Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are going to talk about investing and trading over the long run. Just so you know, Quant Labs is a company that empowers investors to maximize their portfolios to help them meet their financial goals responsibly by offering customized and sophisticated strategies. We help clients' portfolios grow organically and foster a trusted consumer consultant relationship. All right, so trading in 2022 is pretty complicated. So we're trying to make it as easy as possible, make it where it's not complicated. So what we're worried about is portfolio buildup. We want to choose reliable brokers and exchanges. We want to trade selected top outperforming instruments. We want to also do obviously a lot of research and trading options and automate all your orders for optimally timed returns on top of setting your exponential growth goals. So how do we get there? Well, we strategize, do research and develop a plan with goals, diversify a portfolio through asset ownership, follow the markets with automation. Obviously, we've got to minimize risk, be cautious of scams and too good to be true, avoid all in strategies, diversify in top performing market categories, utilize various resources, apps, and platforms, help streamline user experience, and seek expert guidance from quantlabs.net via our private virtual courses, virtual chats, and webinars. Okay, lately, we've got newest areas of focus, cryptocurrency, for developing winning combinations to stay ahead of the market, capitalize on direct ownership of digital coins, invest in multiple blockchains. We use Kraken Exchange for extra security and ultra customer service. We also focus on equity and Forex, interactive brokers used for equity 24/5 trading or trading. There you can enter into ETF data for sectoring out, scanning. Can also focus on seeking alpha analysis and automate research scripts to find optimal top monthly performers. As I said, we focus on top ETF performance, rebalance every month with daily analysis to optimize top performing market sectors. And with ETF sector analysis goals, can help portfolio diversification, develop winning combinations, stay ahead of the market, capitalize on direct ownership of stocks from top performing ETF markets, uh, invest in multiple sectors. And also we use short and long-term goals, create so you can create an emergency fund out of second income of second stream of income, maybe you're buying a house or a supplement retirement fund as well. Here's an example of our master performance ETF tear sheet. You can see we've had well into a couple of 100% cumulative return. Our Sharpe ratio was pretty close to being over 1.9 versus the markets, which were negative all last year, and pretty positive all around. Now, as I said, in blue, that's the strategy as an example, whereas in yellow, that would be your standard benchmark of the SPY or S&P 500. Here's typical monthly returns that you can get, mostly in green, with the exceptions of a few in September, October. And either way, you can have those negative returns pretty well wiped out and balanced out pretty fast and still have some really strong months. Here's our typical performance metrics. As I said, Sharpe ratio being over 2 is really good, especially in a challenge market, as well as cumulative return of a couple 100% if you dare to believe it. All right, so here's some of our gem stocks that was covered. TMC, ATO, ASC. ASC is an Ardmore shipping container company out of Ireland. Also, is crypto dead usually the big question? You can get altcoins usually still perform fairly good. I just learned that They represent over 50% of the market now, where both Bitcoin and Ethereum are in decline in terms of dominance. Uh, there we can use automated trading to capture altcoin breakouts, trade 24/7. And as I said, Kraken is the safest exchange. They were the first one out of the gate to do proof of reserve. They have a Wyoming bank where they're getting their Federal Reserve routing numbers. They're pretty well best in class for 24/7 real support. And you can also trade in US dollars, so you're not trading in stable coins. And they're fully registered globally as well. There's some examples of Litecoin, Dash, Zcash over last year. And here, you want to automate your trades. So you want to use things like MotiveWave trading platform. Pretty well, it's the top rated trading platform out there. There's new advanced mobile app coming, which would be pretty well top in its class, so you can trade on the go. It's over 300 studies or indicators with automated trading strategies with source code, which is quite rare. You can connect to over 30 plus brokers exchanges, including Interactive Brokers, Kraken, Oanda, and they got pretty responsive support and user forum as well. We also can take advantage of Python scripting to help find minimum quantity sizes for lot prominent in, let's say, crypto positions. We can build out trading bots pretty well in any of the major exchanges or brokers, and that enables us to enhance our automation using something like the Interactive Brokers API. So, as I said, there's an enhanced MotiveWave experience. We'd only suggest to work with our hand-picked instruments and those that will definitely outperform. There's most of the time you don't need to do any programming whatsoever, and you obviously have total control of your accounts, your position, so you're not locked in for a minimum amount of time. Plus, we have part of our membership, you can receive our custom-built automated trading strategies with source code. We have instant access to our analysis and files for replication. And of course, everything runs 24/7, so you could set and forget your mode. So if you're interested, get in contact. You can just comment on the video posts or on any of the social media you get this at. And you can also, if you're on my email list, just respond to this as well. Thanks for watching.